Hi everyone, my name is Jonas Duro. I am a concept artist and illustrator working in the entertainment industry, mostly films and also games and commercials. And today I'm going to teach you a class on digital landscape painting in Photoshop, as we can see here. And let me just start first by giving you a quick overview of the things that we're going to cover in this class. So we'll start talking about references. This will be the first step where we basically do the ideation, so we come up with some ideas about what we're going to do before we actually start painting. And I will talk a little bit about different types of references, the photo textures, the kind of things that you need to collect before you start working on your actual image. After that, in the next step, we're going to start doing some thumbnail sketching, where we'll look at a very small frame of our image and just focus on the main composition and the main sort of first impression of our landscape. We're not going to focus on details just yet, just try to figure out the main idea. And when that's all done, we'll scale it up and we'll start applying the details, the lighting effects. This will be the finalizing of the image, the last phase of this class. And then, yeah, some final effects, and then we should be done normally. So you're gonna pretty much go from beginning to end of a sort of production painting of a landscape. The reason we're doing it in this order is because I believe, along many other artists, that this is the best approach to quality result. So that's why we're doing it like this. And as you follow along, of course, after the class, hopefully you students will try to make an image of your own based on this class and this tutorial. But what I would like you to do as a student is not to copy my image exactly, but try to come up with your own version or your own idea about it. And I will talk a little bit more about this later, what I mean exactly. But I'm really not only trying to teach you how to paint beautifully or what kind of tricks you can use, but also how to be creative and original, because that's very important if you want to work in this kind of industry, that you can come up with things that are a bit refreshing or a bit different. So we'll talk a little bit about that as well. Okay, so maybe we can just jump in the first lesson and talk about gathering our references.